Good morning, class. My name is Ankur sir. Today I am going to take maths lecture. In this lecture, we will discuss about trigonometry. So let us start the lectures. I hope you like my lectures. So let us start the lectures. Trigonometry. Trigonometry is derived from three Greek words. Three Greek words: trigonometro, trigonometro, trigonometro. Tri means three, gono means side or angle, and metron means measurement. So trigonometry a measurement of three side an angle or triangle. In this chapter, we will discuss about measurement of three side angle and triangle. Students, remember that we always use trigonometry right angle triangle. So first we draw right angle triangle. Here, suppose one is this is right angle triangle, you know very well. In right angle triangle, one angle will be 90 degree. Suppose this triangle name is A, B and C. And also we assume that measurement of these angles is theta. Theta is a one symbol which defines the measurement of these angles. So name of this side. Side opposite to right angle. Side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. And side opposite to angle. Side opposite to angle is perpendicular side. Perpendicular side. And remaining side is base of triangle. Base of triangle. So this one time again repeat. Trigonometry derived from three Greek words: trigonometro. Tri means three, gono means side and angle, metro means measurement. It means in this chapter we will discuss about measurement of three side and angle. Student, you know, we always use trigonometry right angle triangle. So here one right angle triangle is ABC, and we assume angle B is right angle, and angle measurement of angle C is theta. Then side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse, and side opposite to angle is perpendicular side. Remaining side is base. Now we'll discuss about trigonometric ratio. There are six trigonometric ratio: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. Sin theta. Sin theta is ratio of perpendicular side and hypotenuse. So this will be P upon H. And cos theta. Cos theta is a ratio of base and hypotenuse. So this will be B upon H. And then tan theta. Tan theta is a ratio of perpendicular side and base. So this will be P upon B. And next cosec theta. Cosec theta is a reciprocal of sin theta. The sin theta is P upon H. It means cosec theta will be H upon P. And next one, cosec sec theta. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Cos theta is B upon H, base upon hypotenuse. So sec theta will be H upon B. And last one, cot theta. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Tan theta is P upon B. So cot theta will be B upon H, base upon hypotenuse. Using trick we can remember this trigonometric ratio. Here is one trick: P B P upon H H B. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर बोले. So ratio of this one, first ratio represents sin theta, second ratio is cos theta, and third ratio is tan theta. As you know, reciprocal of sin theta is cos theta, reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta, and reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. So using this trick, you can remember the trigonometric ratio. Okay, now solve the question. One question. Question 1. So if tan theta equal to 3/4, then find cos theta and cosec theta. You should know trigonometry, we are always in right angle triangle. So first we draw one right angle triangle. Here we draw one right angle triangle. Suppose this angle, this name is P, Q and R. Suppose angle Q is right angle and angle R is theta. Now there are tan theta equal to 3/4 is given. You know tan theta is ratio of P upon B, perpendicular and side. So this will be P and this will be, so perpendicular is 3, so this will be 3. Okay, here we write P upon B. So P will be 3 because side opposite to angle is perpendicular. Side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. Yes. And remaining side this B is 4. You say by using Pythagoras theorem we can find the value of hypotenuse. So using Pythagoras theorem find the value of hypotenuse. Using Pythagoras theorem. PQ, this one. Square of hypotenuse equal to sum of square of remaining side. Square of hypotenuse equal to sum of square of remaining side. So PQ square plus QR square. Substitute the value, we get a 3 square and plus 4 square. It means PR square equal to 25. So PR will be 5. Now find cos theta. Because value of H is 5. Cos, cos is ratio of base and hypotenuse. So write B upon H. So B is 4 and H is 5. This is value of cos theta. So cos theta will be 4 upon 5. And next one, cosec theta. Cosec theta is, ratio of cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. Sin theta is P upon H. So cosec theta will be H upon P. So H is 5 and P is Perpendicular side is 3. So cosec theta will be 5 upon 3. So this will be answer. Okay, student. So using a trigonometry ratio, we can solve this type question. And application of trigonometry, where we can use the trigonometry. We can find the height of any building without measuring actual measurement. Without finding actual measurement. Also, we can find any height of any trees, any buildings, and height of aeroplane from the ground. We can find using trigonometry. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for cooperation in the class. Thank you so much.